of the reason is because they are women, and then second, they are women migrant. You know, the culprit knows that this, women moving to Hong Kong as domestic workers or other type of job are very vulnerable. They don't have their family in the town. No one is taking care of them, and they need money to survive. So that, and also they are victim of a lot of abuses in the city. So many of these culprits usually know that they have no choice but to, to follow what is this culprit going to do to them, and until such time they realize that they are in danger.